guys, back in with another video, and in today's video I got the best Nova setup part 2. This setup, just like my last setup, is a one-page setup. It is pretty minimal, it is pretty easy to install, so without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into this. I am using Nova Launcher and my grid size is going to be 11 by 7. I am using a custom widget that displays the date, the time, and the charge that my phone has left. I am also using my best used apps at the bottom and on the side of the phone. I am using two themes corresponding, so on the side I do have a different theme, as well as the bottom I do have a different icon pack. As far as my status bar, I went ahead and hid the old one and just added a new one by using the Nova Launcher settings. And this status bar actually came from a Zooper widget, so I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for that specific widget. But like I said before, this theme is a pretty simple theme. It is a one-page theme. It is easy to install. I just added a little more customization to mine as far as the widgets. So if you guys do want to know exactly how I put mine together, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and if I do get enough comments, I'll go ahead and just make a tutorial. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.